everyone, welcome to Precision Test Automation. Myself, Prabhat. Okay, let's see what we have discussed in our previous section. Let me share my screen. Okay, yeah. See, in the previous sections, we have learned about the select and deselect, right? Select and deselect. We have seen how select and deselect works, multi-selects and all, right? Now, our next step is learn about alerts. So we all know that we have some what we call web feature called alert, where we give pop-ups like successful login or error in the fields, fill up in the fields and all, right? So for such scenarios we have alerts, and let's see how we can handle these alerts. To explain this example, we are using demoqa.com, where we have a alerts. So let's see what happens manually. When I click it, I'm able to see an alert here. I am clicking on OK, right? Now here, when I click it, after 5 seconds, I will be seeing an alert here, right? And here is the confirm box. So here we have two, cancel and OK, right? If I OK it, you selected OK. If I cancel it, you selected cancel. If I have send name here, I'm able to see name here. So we will cover all these scenarios in our automation now. Okay, let's refresh this. Let's refresh this page and go to our automation. Click here, create a new suit, right? Alert suit. Okay. So let's create our what is called page object. Okay. Alert dot properties. This is our page. Now click it here. Okay. This is the alert button. I think it's not copied properly. Yeah. This is alert button. The time alert button. Okay. Next, confirm button. Confirm alert button. Okay, let's see, these are the unique or not. Yes, it is unique. Next here, prompt alert button. Okay, prompt alert. Next, let's add here template, web template. So first we'll look into confirm, right? We'll click OK, right? Confirm alert dot sanity. We need to write this one, right? We will be I will be explaining about the naming convention, all those things in the upcoming sessions. Confirm alert properties. Okay. Now what do we do here? Let's go to any previous, copy it, previous test case, copy it and paste it here. Now here, what is the page name? Alert is our page name. You alert here, remove this. And do we want to wait? No. So let's see what action we are going to use. We are going to use wait for alert and with the combination of alert accept. Okay. So see, none, There is no element name when we are working with the alert. So when we are working with what we said, wait for alert, there is no page name is required. Okay. Now coming to the actions, we require wait for alert. How many seconds? 10 seconds and none. Okay. Now we need to click on the button, right? Alert, none, none. Sorry, first we need to click on that button and then we need to wait for the alert, right? Sorry, none, none. Sorry, here alert button and click. Then none, none. Wait for 10 seconds. Then not wait for 10 seconds. And in the 10 seconds of span, it will wait for that alert. It might be 1 second, might be 2 seconds, but it will in the span of 10 seconds. In anywhere it can be come. It can come. If we are getting in the 1 second, then it will wait for 1 second and it will go off. It won't wait for 10 seconds. Okay. And none and none. Okay. What we are going to do? We are going to accept the alert. Okay. We are going to add none. There is no action. There is no this one, and there is no validation. No, this one. Okay. Let's perform this one, and let's wait for 2 seconds. We'll give a delay of hard wait for 2 seconds to see the action. Okay. Let's run this one. Confirm alert. Go to your test ng. Here. Remove this and run. Okay. What is the failure? Let's see in our automation. Why it got failed? Failed well. Something issue with our test case. Okay. Here we didn't add the none. Here we didn't add the none. Okay. We have opened it. See, as you see here, okay, I have given the wrong URL. Another thing, see, when we are doing any mistake or you're seeing any mistake, for sure that mistake is coming from your test account, because the whole architecture has been verified very well, tested very well. So when you are working with this automation, make sure your test data is very clear, right? And it is following all the syntax. Okay. And basically, it's your responsibility. It's not a code responsibility now. Let's stop the loading. See, it clicked, but we didn't know it clicked, right? So we will add a 2 seconds delay here. Again it goes, see. Okay. Now this is done. Next step is click after 5 seconds, right? It means alert after 5 seconds. So alert will be displayed after 5 seconds. So create a web template, alert visible analytics.csv. Okay, again copy this. Okay, up to actually you can copy everything here, add. Now we need to click on time alert. Okay, once you click on time alert, now we will fail. See, this showing, it is telling that after 5 seconds we'll get, right? Let's wait for 4 seconds and see what happens. Means it should fail, right? Within 4 seconds the alert is not coming, that means our condition got failed, right? So we will see this one. Okay, and then we will be clicking on the accept. We'll see this one. Let's run this one. Oh, sorry, I didn't added what we say, name in the property file. Now let's run. Okay, let's stop the loading. We clicked and see, failure. What is the failure reason? Let's see. Expected condition failed. Waiting for alert to be present. Tried for 4 seconds with 500 millisecond intervals. Right? So this is what I'm talking about. And now let's add exactly 5 seconds. And we'll see, will this work or not. Okay, page stop loading. Sorry, I have interrupted it. Let's run it again. Okay, now it clicked and it will be waiting for 5 seconds. Appeared, clicked, or test case pass. Right? This is what we are talking about. Now let's see another test, another one. When I click on it, you confirm the action. Okay, in our case, we clicking when I click OK, it will say you selected OK. Again, when I click here, when I click on cancel, it is saying that you have selected cancel. Okay, you selected cancel. Let's see this both scenario. Okay, so what we are calling this one as confirm. Confirm alert is there. Let's add a test visible. Okay, web template test visible alert sanity dot csv. Okay, let's copy this one. Here we have copied everything. Now we need to click on confirm. So confirm here. Now wait for alert. Wait for alert for 10 seconds. After that, we will clicking. We'll click on accept. Okay, and again we'll click on that same element. Okay, in our case now we'll be clicking on dismiss, which in short cancel. And we will wait for 2 seconds to see the action. So what happens? Let's go step by step. It will load the page. Click on that element, wait for alert to be visible, then wait for 2 seconds. It will click on accept, then again it will wait for 2 seconds. Here we can see our action, what we have performed, and here again it will click. Again now we are doing dismiss, then again we are waiting for 2 seconds to see the action, what it has been performed. Right, let's copy this and add it here. Run it. Okay, let's run. Now close. So do you confirm action? See, you selected OK. See, it was fast, but we can see that it's selected cancel. Okay, this is done. Now last scenario. Here when you click it, I need to send keys, then click it OK. You can see that your text has been added here. So we will be seeing this scenario now. Okay, Let's create another suit. So what we have observed until now, basically we are doing copy paste. That's it. No coding, nothing. That is the beauty of this framework. And alert, send, sanity, dot csv. And mostly we are using a common language, right? We'll do up till here. 8. After this, we need to change. After this, we need to change. So alert, send here. So we need to go promote prompt element prompt alert button. We'll click on it. We'll wait for 10 seconds. We'll again wait for 2 seconds to see that alert. And now go to your documentation and see here send keys. So basically we'll get the send keys. You can copy this one, add it here. Okay, what we did, sample data. So we are sending sample data, and now we'll accept it. So directly accept that, and after accepting, we'll wait for 2 seconds so that to see the behavior. Okay, copy this from here, add this one. Okay, stop loading. See, alert came. See, sample data. Okay, this is what we are talking about. Now next scenario is alert get text. Okay, so we are now extracting the text from the alert. For this, we might need to use the custom coding as well to extract the text and store to see that how it is been stored. Means how it is been stored and how we need to print it. Okay, in our scenario, first one, you clicked a button. So this is what we need to fetch, right? We'll work on this one. So let's create another suit. Another test case. Web test case. Get alert text sanity.csv. Okay, from formulat. So whole thing. The text here. No, before accept, we need to fetch the text, right? We need to fetch the text. So variable name. Now we can give any variable name like alert text, right? Now I want to fetch this alert. I want to see how it will be stored and what are the data being stored for the alert text and how I can retrieve the data. For that, what we can say, we can have a this one custom class. For example, I have already created, so you can create a method called get alert text. And this case, in our case right now, we have added with the name called alert text. Let's go back here, add this one. You can give a debugger to see how it works, and after coming this one, we need to accept it. Okay, so we'll be running in a debug mode. So here, come here, remove this part and debug it. Let's process one. Okay, somehow get alert text page name. Acha. Sorry, we didn't added that part. Sorry, my bad. I haven't added the step. Okay, none. Our action is custom. Now class name is custom class. Okay, method name is get text. None and none. Now we'll see the debug. Sorry, my bad. In the previous, when we are in the automation, I forgot to add that step. See, we came here on console and see, you clicked a button, right? Yeah, our test case got passed. So we have covered all the alert scenarios in this section. If you want to learn more about alert, if you have more scenarios in your plate, please mention in the comment box so that I can give a proper section on that. Thanks for your time.